Okay guys, it's morning and it is 3:50 a.m. and today is the day I hike my first 14er, so let's see how this goes. More to come.
Yes, actually, forgot I had that. Okay guys, so we're just past 5 miles in, doing pretty good. We got some beautiful views. You can see Pikes Peak out there. And then over there is the Almagre Peaks, which I'm going to be hiking later this September. And the trail's pretty nice. Pretty well cleared trail. So, wish us luck, and we're almost to bar camp. I think that's at like the just past 6 mile marker, so maybe a mile further, and then probably stop and get something to eat, and then make it the last half, which is going to be quite a bit more incline per foot. So that's gonna hurt a bit. And not to mention the elevation and the pain that will cause to my lungs. So let's keep going. All right, headed out from bar camp.
How long do you think it'll take to descend?
Well, I'm figuring faster than the ascending. Let's see, so far, well, we left at basically 5, right? So it's now, we got here, we hit halfway in 3 hours. Took a 40-minute break. So halfway in 3 hours, this next half, I think maybe, what, 3-4 hours? What do you think?
I definitely would not descend the field.
Huh?
I definitely would not descend the field.
Yeah. Well, to make it by noon, we got 3 hours and 20 minutes.
Yeah, that's not like a very tough.
No, it's not. It's just a goal for you know, that way you got plenty of descend time. You figure 5 hours descending, put you home at 5. So somewhere around 9.5 miles in.
Right now we're just coming up on 9.
Just coming up on 9. Okay, so never mind. But thick wooded cutbacks, and we've slowed down quite a bit, trying to keep our lungs happy. So making good progress though. Feeling like we're gonna still come back down?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. All right.
I mean, the jury's still out, right? Like,
Yeah.
Oh no. All right. Yeah, the jury's still out,
It's still leaning that way.
but it's still leaning. All right.
I don't know what brick wall is in front of me, but
Right.
I'm hoping there's not one.
But there's
Yeah.
not one currently. I don't.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right. Well, we're doing it. Okay, guys. So we just got done with another break, and we're probably at about, I think, like 8.5 miles. We somehow miscalculated, and earlier I said that we were at like 8.5 or 9. We weren't. Nope. About 5 minutes after that video, we saw a mile post, and it said 8 miles. So yeah, we got a little delusional there. But we've slowed down quite a bit. We're having to take much more regular breaks. The trees are thinning out because we're getting up pretty high. Here, check out this rock face. Let me see if I can. That's Pikes Peak. The top of it's like over there. So anyways, we're gonna be above the timberline here before long. I just ate a protein bar and my body is starving. Oh, actually, let me tell you this. I got a notification from my watch saying I had personal record. I had burnt 2,500, I think it was like almost 2,600 calories. So yeah, anyways, I was eating that protein bar, and everything in me wanted to eat the other one, but I'm trying to save that one. I can probably buy some snacks when I get to the top. That's the nice thing about Pikes Peak. But still, point being is this is a workout. Got to keep moving because otherwise your legs start stiffening up. All right, talk to you later. Woo. Oh, and that snow right there is real loose. Okay guys, Update. We just passed a sign saying we got 2 miles left and we're at 12,700 feet. That's a little depressing, because man, we are all exhausted. I think you can see the big rock formation behind me, and then there's all of the stuff behind us, and over there is Colorado Springs, and where we're headed, basically you see that snow cap up there, that's where we've been seeing the Cog Railway pull up, so we know that's where we're headed. Anyways, our method is just slow and steady, just keep progressing, take as many breaks as we need, and we're gonna get there. Up, come on, let's go. Whoops. Ooh, that snow is cold. Don't touch it. Okay, guys, we are all three exhausted. This is one beast. So I think we've decided, I think unanimously, we're gonna ride the train down, because we need to do some more training before we're going to be quite capable of getting all the way back down.
It's kind of big.
All right, I'm going to forge the path. Oh, you found it?
Yeah.
Nice. So this looks like it could be a little bit slippery. Let's go down these rocks. Yeah, come down these rocks. Because I don't know how, if I'd trust stepping in that stuff. That falls through. There it is. There's the train. We're here. We made it. Made it.
Oh, yeah, so it's just that. There it is.
Celebration. That's good.